Hello, my name is Jesus Vargas. I'm the owner of C&D Tires Auto Repair here in Orlando, Florida. So I decided to become a drive instructor because drive and all the instructors have had such a great impact on my business and my life as a whole. And I figured there was no better way for me to give back to other shop owners the same way drive is giving back to me. I hope to instruct people the same way I've been instructed to better their life, better their business. The workshops I'll be teaching are essentials of shop management in English and in Spanish, and in English only, the fundamentals of wealth, and a few more workshops to come. From my background as a shop owner, a technician, and my education in accounting, I hope to bring a plethora of knowledge to every single one of my classes. I hope to share my real life experiences with all these shop owners and give them tools from every aspect that they can use to move their shop and their life forward. Helping shop owners is important to me because before Drive, I felt like I was running this business blind without any real knowledge of the market, without any real knowledge of the industry, just learning things as I go. And with Drive, they've helped me see things that I've been missing for years. And I'm hoping with my experience that I've learned from Drive and that I've learned along the way, I can help open different doors for shop owners, or I can help them figure things out that they probably didn't know they needed to figure out in the first place. As an instructor, I hope to make a positive impact on every single shop owner that I come into contact with. It's always been a personal goal of mine to teach. I never thought I'd be teaching shop owners. I thought more along the lines of teaching technicians. But if I make a positive impact in each one of these shop owners' lives and their businesses, I'm ultimately helping everybody that's in their organization. And there can't be any greater impact than that.